Good morning, my dear students. In the second chapter that we have covered, we have learned how do the plants and animals reproduce in the topic of reproduction in plants and animals. So now you must have seen around yourself different types of plants and animals are there. And we as a human being or animals or plants, we all are dependents on each other. So what is this system name as? The system name as ecosystem. Okay, the interdependence of different organism in a particular environment is called as ecosystem. The name of our chapter is, the third chapter name is ecosystems. In the chapter we will cover the topic of biotic components, food chain, food web, pyramid of numbers, abiotic components, interaction between biotic and abiotic components, forest ecosystem, and interdependence of organisms. So students, let's start with vocabulary. The first word is internal. The spelling of internal is INTERNAL. 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 TERNAL. Internal. 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 Internal means inside. 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 Internal. Inside. Internal. Inside. Internal. Inside. Internal. Inside. Second word, comprise. COM. Comprise. PRISE. Price. COMPRISE. Comprise. Comprise means contain. 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 Comprise. Contain. Comprise. Contain. Comprise. Contain. Comprise. Contain. The third word, feeling. 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 Feeling means emotion. 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 Feeling. Emotion. Feeling. Emotion. Fourth word is signal. 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 Signal means sign. 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 Signal. Sign. Signal. Sign. Fifth word, instructions. What is instruction? INSTRUCTIONS. 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 Instruction means directions. 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 Instruction. Direction. Instructions. Directions. Instructions. Directions. Instructions. Directions. Sixth word, cerebrum. How will we pronounce it? Cerebrum. CERE. Ceri. BRUM. Brum. CEREBRUM. CEREBRUM. Cerebrum means main part of brain. Main part of brain. Cerebrum, main part of brain. Cerebrum, main part of brain. Cerebrum, main part of brain. What is cerebrum? Main part of brain. Respond. 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 Respond means to reply. Respond to reply. Respond to reply. 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 Respond to reply. Respond to reply. Up upright. Eighth word, upright. 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 Upright means straight. Upright means straight. 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 Upright, straight. Upright, straight. Upright, straight. Upright, straight. Ninth word, asleep. Asleep. ASEEP. Asleep. ASEEP. Asleep means state of sleep. Asleep means state of sleep. A condition of sleep. Asleep, state of sleep. Asleep, state of sleep. Asleep, state of sleep. Tenth word, base. 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 Base means bottom. 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 Base means bottom. Base means bottom. Base, bottom. Base, bottom. 11th word, blinking. Blinking means wink of eye. Wink of eye. That is blinking. 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 Blinking means, what is the meaning of, students, blinking? Blinking means wink of eye. Wink. 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 Blinking. Wink of eye. Blinking. Wink of eye. 12th word, bony. What is bony? BONY. 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 Bony means full of bones. Bony means full of bones. 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 Bony means full of bones. 13th word, sockets. What is the word? Sockets. 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 Sockets means hollow part. Sockets means hollow part. Hollow. 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 Part. 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 Sockets. Hollow part. Sockets. Hollow part. 14th word, ache. 14th word, ache. Ache means pain. What's the spelling? ACHE. 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 Ache means pain. 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 Ache means pain. Ache means pain. Ache. Pain. Ache. Pain. 15th word, plenty. 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 Plenty means much. 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 Plenty. Much. Plenty. Much. Plenty. Much. Plenty. Much. So 16th word is caring. Caring spelling CARRY. Carry. Ing. ING. Caring. CARRYING. Caring. Caring means transporting. 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 Carrying. Transporting. Carrying. Transporting. Carrying. Transporting. Carrying. Transporting. 17th word, proper. PRO. Pro. PER. Per. PROPER. Proper. Proper means correctly. Proper means correctly. 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 Proper means correctly. Proper, correctly. Proper, correctly. 18th word, digestion. 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 Digestion means process of digesting food. What is the meaning of digestion? Process, 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 digesting, 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 digesting food, FOOD, food. Process of digesting food means digestion. Digestion, process of digesting food. 19th word, voluntary muscles. What is the word? Voluntary muscles. Voluntary. 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 Muscles. MUSCLES. Voluntary muscles. MUSCLES. Voluntary muscles means muscles in control. Muscles in control. Muscles, MUSCLES, control, CONTROL. Voluntary muscles, muscles in control. 20th word, which is just opposite to 19th word, which is voluntary muscles. What is the 20th word? Involuntary muscles. in, and spelling will be the same of voluntary. 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 Involuntary muscles. MUSCLES. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means muscles not in control. Muscles not in control. Again, muscles MUSCLES and control CONTROL. So involuntary muscles means muscles not in control. Involuntary muscles, muscles not in control. 21st word, which is secretion. What is secretion? Secretion. CRETION. Secretion. SECRETION. Secretion means release. 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 Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. 22nd word, required. What is required? REQUIRED. 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 Required means needed. NEEDED. Required means needed. Required, needed. Needed, NEEDED. Required, needed. Required, needed. 23rd word, remember. 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 Remember means keep in mind. Remember. REMEMBER. Remember means keep in mind. Keep. 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 Mind. 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 Remember. Keep in mind. Remember. Keep in mind. 24th word, aroma. 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 Aroma means pleasant smell. Pleasant. 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 Pleasant smell. 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 Aroma means pleasant smell. Aroma, pleasant smell. 25th word, which is the last word of our vocabulary, nerves. 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 Nerves means bundle of fiber. Bundle. 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 Fiber. FIBRE. Fiber. FIBRE. Fiber. FIBRE. Bundle. BUNDLE. Then fiber. FIBRE. Nerves. Bundle of fiber. Nerves. Bundle of fiber. Nerves. Bundle of fiber. Nerves. Bundle of fiber. So now students, we have completed our vocabulary of chapter 3rd. Your homework for today is you will have to learn the vocabulary in your notebook and write in your notebook, and you have to learn these vocabulary 5 times each.